All right, let's dive right in. We're going to tackle a question that I know is on a lot of your minds. How in the world do you build a career in the Workday ecosystem, especially if you're starting with, zero experience?
And hi, if you're asking that question, trust me, you are so not alone. It's totally normal to feel a bit lost at the beginning. You're looking at this huge transformative field and thinking, okay, where do I even begin? It can feel pretty overwhelming.
And that feeling of being lost, it's super common. We're talking about a massive platform that's literally changing how companies run things. But here's the good news. Don't you worry. We're about to hand you a clear, step-by-step map to navigate this whole thing. So here's what we've got on tap. We'll kick things off with why you should even consider Workday in the first place. Then we'll get to the good stuff, a simple 4-step roadmap to take you from a total beginner to a pro. We'll also talk about what happens after you get certified, and then wrap up so you can get started like today.
Okay, first things first. Before we jump into the how-to, let's really dig into the why. What makes Workday such a fantastic, compelling career choice right at this very moment?
So what exactly is Workday? Well, think of it as a powerhouse, a top-tier, cloud-based software that companies all over the globe use for everything HR and finance. The reason it's so popular? It's known for being super user-friendly, and its analytics, wow, they are incredibly powerful. You know, getting good at Workday isn't just about learning another piece of software. It's more like a gateway. It opens up all these doors to really cool roles like HR analyst, system administrator, or even a business consultant. And here's the real kicker. The demand for people who are certified in Workday is just skyrocketing, which of course means it can be a really lucrative career move. All right, you ready? This is the real heart of our explainer. We've boiled down the entire process into a simple, totally actionable 4-step roadmap to get you from zero to a career in Workday. It's this simple. First, build your foundation. Second, get certified. Third, get that crucial hands-on experience. And fourth, network and never stop learning. Now let's break each of those down.
Step 1, build that solid foundation. Seriously, first things first, this is all about just getting comfortable with the basics of Workday. And the best part, there are tons of free resources out there to help you get your feet wet.
I mean, you could literally start right after watching this. Hop over to YouTube and watch some intro videos. Definitely check out the official Workday community site. They've got great tutorials. Or just read some articles and blogs about its core functions. Getting these fundamentals down will give you a huge confidence boost to take the next step. Which brings us to step 2, and folks, this one is a big one. It's all about boosting your credibility with a Workday certification. Now, is it absolutely required to get a job? Maybe not. But will it make you stand out from the crowd? Oh, absolutely. It's a game changer.
Okay, this next part causes a lot of confusion, so let's clear it up right now. There are basically 2 main paths to getting certified. Path 1, you work for a Workday partner company. If that's you, great. You can get into their official training programs. Path 2, you're an independent learner. If that's you, don't sweat it. There are some excellent unofficial training options designed specifically to get you ready for those certification exams.
So why do we keep talking about certification? Why does it matter so much? Because it is way more than just a piece of paper. It's proof. It shows potential employers that you are committed, that you have the knowledge. It's a massive green flag that says, hey, I'm serious and I know my stuff. Okay, so you've got the book smarts. You're working towards that certification. What's next? The next crucial step is getting a real, practical, hands-on experience. This is where the rubber meets the road, you know? It's where theory becomes reality. And believe me, it's what really makes you shine in a job interview.
But how do I get that experience, I hear you ask? Well, you've got to be proactive. Hunt for internships or even entry-level jobs at companies that use Workday. Put your hand up for any project where you can apply what you've learned. And definitely target companies that have a reputation for training up new employees. Every little bit of that experience is pure gold.
And that brings us to our final step, step 4. And this one's important. Don't try to do this all by yourself. Networking and just never stopping learning, those are the keys to not just starting a career in Workday, but actually sustaining it for the long run.
So where do you find these people? Your first stop should absolutely be the Workday community portal. It's the perfect place to connect with experts and people just like you. Try to attend webinars, and if you ever get the chance, big events like Workday Rising are amazing. And here's a pro tip. Don't just go into the forums to ask questions. Try to answer them. Even if you have to research the answer, it's an incredible way to learn and build your reputation. Trust me, these connections can lead to amazing mentorships and even job offers down the line. So let's fast forward a bit. You've done the work, you've got the certificate, you've got some experience under your belt. Awesome. But what's next? Let's talk about the long game here, what it takes to build a truly successful, lasting career. Well, the payoff is huge. Certified pros are in demand all over the world, and they get paid well for it. But here's the secret to long-term success. You can never stop learning. Workday pushes out new features twice a year, and you gotta stay on top of that. And just as important as your tech skills are your soft skills. Things like communication and creative problem solving. Those are just as crucial. All right, let's bring this all home. Your journey, it really does start right now. So there you have it. That's the path from feeling completely lost to launching an amazing new career. And I really want you to remember this. This journey isn't just about learning a piece of software. It is about unlocking a whole new world of opportunities for your career and for your life. We've given you the roadmap. We've shown you the steps, from building that foundation all the way to networking with the experts. So now there's really only one question left. Where are you going to start?